Okay, so going through the first paper that you guys sat, which is component 2, health and performance. Just a key reminders on the front sheet, make sure your surname's entered here, first name's there. Weirdly enough, not everybody got that bit right. Centre number and candidate number in there. This little bit of information reminds you what you can and can't do, what colour pen you should be using, what type of pen you should be using, and the fact that you can actually use a calculator on both of the PE exams as a reminder as well, particularly helpful with graphs. Turning over to the first page, we've got some key bits of information, making sure that we fill out the cross, making sure if we made a mistake, we put a line through the cross. And as you can see on the first question, just as we talked through, we've got a process of elimination and a process of breaking down the question. So the first one says, which of the following states one endurance athlete would use carbohydrate loading? So what we need to do is, if we're not 100% sure on the answer, and even if we are, we just make sure that we're responding to the question correctly, so we go through each one. So the keywords to identify: one, which the exam board have highlighted in bold for us, endurance athlete and carbo loading are kind of the key bits of that information. Now we know to do with strength, carbohydrate loading has nothing to do with strength. To repair damaged body tissue after injury, we know it's to do with protein. To increase energy stores, we know we need carbohydrates in our diet for energy. And to lose weight, we know that's not really anything to do with carbohydrates. So that leaves us with one obvious answer, which is C.